You recording it?
Yeah. Go, nigga.
Niggas pop can't stop the team. Came back with a stock, can't stop the green. People took a lot of shit, niggas stop the scene. I pulled out the fucking ready and I popped the screen. I beat my bitch and I'm ready to chill. Got my niggas outside that be ready to kill. With the guns in the back that be ready to spill. Big smile on my face like nigga for real. Kinda tight but I laugh it off. But you can't get tight with a nigga who's sold. And I party with the bitches like a master wolf. Already finished with the first, second, third, and fourth. I keep it in cut, keep it in lane, keep it in the back when the hoes give me brain. I'm really sick, niggas think I'm insane. Don't try to play a nigga, I in the game. I move fast like a multitasker. If she suck dick, why you scared to ask? Am I not coming fast? I'm about to blast her. Nobody out here could defeat the master. Dope really sick, my flow really sick. Since I come really quick, hop off my dick. I pump in the lane, make them jump in a pig. Got my niggas on the sideline ready to spit with a flow that's illy. Niggas think I'm silly when I'm saying really, really. Could you really pop a Willie J Sacks in the back and he rolling up a Philly bitch? Got her hands up like nigga, what's the dilly? I said, got guns and I'm clapping hoes. I got niggas on the phone calling Gap Patrol. I got a lot of money, so I'm stacking dough. Ain't that the most money that you seen before? I got stacks of bread, I let it stack to your head. Check the money in the back and I'm stacking the spread. Like a lot of green, but I love seeing red. So I just prefer to keep stacking the stack. Crazy on this beat, I'm a banger for the street. Got bitches on my meat, thick hands on my feet. Said taste sweet like a motherfucking tree. I'm so official that I rhyme when I speak like this and that and that. I got the burner in the sack, better watch it back. I got the goons on track, better watch it stack. And I keep a lot of weed so the team is smacked. So what's good?
Ah.